Artoonza.
Hey there, color-obsessed little artists. Did you ever stop and think, what if the crayons got to be the ones drawn today? That's right. We're flipping the entire script and giving our beloved crayons their very own portrait session.
So cute.
Because they've been working so hard for us. Don't you think? We're starting by sketching 7 gorgeous crayons with a black marker. Yes, 7! Because clearly one crayon just was not enough drama for today. Then, brace yourselves. We are unleashing a full-on glitter explosion in light blue, silver, blue, purple, and green. Sparkling? Absolutely. Messy? Completely. Do we care? Not even a little. Now, here's where it gets really good. We brought in a tiny vacuum to clean up the glitter chaos. Yes, an actual vacuum. Small, slightly dramatic, and totally judging all of us for making this mess. Give us your like. Then comes the paint party. We're dropping gorgeous acrylic colors onto each crayon. Purple, light blue, light green, red, orange, yellow, and pink. One by one, stroke by stroke, until every single crayon becomes an absolute masterpiece. So grab your markers, prep your glitter, and maybe say a little sorry to your vacuum. This is going to be the most colorful, sparkly, and ridiculously fun art adventure of your life. Let's paint some crayon magic together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. First up, purple glides in like royalty at an art gala nobody warned us about. Bold, mysterious, and the exact shade of that grape juice you always somehow spill on the couch. Every single time. Sorry, Mom. Light blue drifts in next like a daydream on a lazy Sunday. Cool, calm, and basically the sky on its best behavior. Softly whispering, relax, you've totally got this. Unless you don't. Then it's just very, very pretty. Light green bounces in, smelling like fresh-cut grass in springtime and every nature documentary ever filmed. It's the color that makes you want to hug a tree, roll in a meadow, and have a heartfelt chat with a butterfly. Do butterflies reply? Maybe. We're absolutely not judging. Give us a big thumbs up. Then red crashes the party, and wow, red does not do quiet entrances. It's love, fire, fast cars, and that legendary blush when your crush waves at you and you wave back only to discover they meant the person behind you. Bold, brave, dramatic. Red is the main character, and red absolutely knows it.
Aw, so cute.
Orange bursts in like a tropical sunset that had way too much fun at the beach. Sunshine, pumpkins, and that one suspiciously cheerful friend already dancing at 7 a.m. How do they even do that? Nobody knows. Slightly alarming, completely lovable. Yellow skips in fully glowing like it just won the happiest color award and is very aware of it. It's sunshine, bananas, and the friend who claps when the plane lands. Cute? Yes, extra, completely. But yellow doesn't care because yellow is pure joy, and honestly, we are all here for it. Smash that like button now. And finally, pink waltzes in like a cupcake at the greatest birthday party ever. Sweet, sparkly, and completely impossible to resist. Pink is bubblegum wishes, cotton candy skies, and every sweet thing wrapped in one. The rainbow is whole, and it is absolutely stunning.
Wow.
Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.